have very recently completed a number of different use cases in manufacturing. The one that I can talk about right now is we had a manufacturing company come to us, and they wanted to be able to much more efficiently navigate and expose information in their manufacturing engineering knowledge base. They had actually, it wasn't just about wanting to be more operationally efficient, but they were having a workforce challenge where their most senior experienced workers, they were retiring, and that knowledge was going out the door with them. And so the younger, newly onboarding manufacturing engineers, they didn't have that rich knowledge base and really relied on the documentation out there to be able to get the answers that they want. So we built a solution where we brought in a large language model from a hyperscaler. We did not use the public version. We used a version in their own hyperscaler tenant. We didn't even fine tune or train that large language model on any of their proprietary information, because this knowledge base had their secret sauce in it. It contained what gave them competitive advantage in the market. So we created an orchestrator in the middle that took the proprietary data, and it then leveraged the large language model to be able to create that conversational interactive style of interrogating that knowledge base. But in order to increase accuracy, we also made sure that it returned not just the text-based answer, but it included a visual snippet of the document, so you knew what it looked like, and it included the URL to where it sat in their knowledge repository.